How to remove songs from Spotify playlist. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to remove songs from a Spotify playlist. What I'm going to do first is to head into my Spotify app on the phone. When I'm on my Spotify app, I'm going to find my Spotify playlist. Now, when I have the Spotify playlist, I'm going to find the song that I want to remove from here. When I've found the song that I want to remove, then I need to click on these three dots to the right. And then as you can see, I need to click where it says remove from this playlist. And now I have easily removed the song from this playlist. If I want to add it to my playlist again, I just need to find the song once again and then click on the three dots and click on add to playlist and then click on the playlist that you want to add this song to again. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.